unfortunately, a gloom day for all of us. However optimistic we are in life, but the crisis brought uncertainty in life. It narrowed the boundary between life and death, scaring every individual in the normal situation. But still, we find that most of the NGOs, including the Lions, have done an effort to bring the things together, to keep the people grounded, to keep the people motivated with the supplies, with the help, whatever they could do. And I have seen many Lions doing it selflessly day and night. It would be right for me to say that these are the individuals who carry the humanity in them. Humanity is the word which brings us to the, or rather it reminds us that we need to understand the fellow men around us. It is not merely to do a service and get the accolades or get the prizes. It is for the understanding of the people around us, and that is the reason why I feel that most of the Lions who have done this service, and till date they are doing the service of providing the essentials and vaccination and so many things. It is unaccountable. I really appreciate each and every Lions Club in Goa as well as in Karnataka who have done this yeoman service.
ह्या एक वरान आमकां 3 काम करपाचें आसात. एक म्हणल्यार इन्स्टॉलेशन, आनी आयज लायन बाब विवेकानंद नाडकर्णी हाणें एक नविदाद केल्ली आसा, आनी ताजें एग्जाम्पल जें आसा तें म्हाका दिसता बाकीचे खूब इन्स्टॉलिंग ऑफिसर मुखार ही परंपरा फुडें व्हरतले. कारण अशें आसता, इन्स्टॉलिंग ऑफिसर जो आसता तो ताजो सेरमांव प्रत्येक कडेन वता, तो थंय तेच सांगता आनी लोकां येतो वाज. प्रेसिडेंटान कितें करप, सेक्रेटरीन कितें करप, आनी तो ट्वेल टेस्टर म्हणटा आसता ताणें कितें करप, आनी तो आनी कोण आसा ताणें कितें करप, हें लोकांक कित्याक जाय? लोकांक बेजार येवपाक नाका म्हणून तो सकाळी फुडें पयलीं आयलो. आमगेली जी इन्स्टॉलिंग ह्योजी टीम आशिल्ली तांकां बी केलें, तांगेलें कितें सांगपाक तें सांगलें आनी तांकां इन्स्टॉल करून सोडलें. So now the floor is open for other formalities where we can all enjoy. दुसरें महत्वाचें काम जें आसा आज तें म्हळ्यार आमगेल्या सत्कार मुर्तीक सत्कार करप, आनी तिसरें लायन्स we serve. So we do one service activity today.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.